In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see deleted messages on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And the first stuff you need to open up Messages. And if you would like to see recently deleted messages, all you have to do is just tap right at the top left corner where it says Filters, and after that you will be taken to that page where we can filter our messages by all messages, known senders, unknown senders, and on the red messages. And down below here you will also find recently deleted. We can enter it and it will show us all the messages we've deleted in the past 40 days. So, actually, all the messages you delete are stored here for 40 days. And after that, they will be automatically deleted even from here. And within these 40 days, we can easily go ahead and recover any messages from here. To do that, we just need to select the conversation. It says here that it contains for messages from that center. And then we can hit right here at Recover to immediately move it to our messages, and then we can easily, if we scroll down here, we'll find all the messages that were recovered from this center. Basically, guys, so if this video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button